we strongly believe in the scalability of industrial IoT. And the starting point of any meaningful relationship between us and our partners as well as customers starts with establishing trust. Trust in our gateway, trust in our sensors, and trust in our quality, which we put ahead of everything else. And that's where our condition monitoring starter kit comes into play. It is a very convenient package that gives you everything you need to get started with condition monitoring effortlessly. The kit includes one Treon gateway, 5 Treon industrial nodes, and multiple different adapters, as well as a Vapi's IoT ticket subscription, which provides a convenient backend to get you up and running. The kit also has a Treon support package, which is 2 hours of support to make sure that you don't experience any hiccups within the process of setup. Treon's condition monitoring starter kit is perfect for you to step towards a scalable partnership with us and test our hardware. You can head on to treonstore.com or simply reach out to us to get your condition monitoring starter kit already now.